A Solitaire cash coin multiplier that appears active, but does not change your reward, usually needs the app to refresh the current game or account state before the multiplier can apply. By the end, you'll know what to check when a multiplier is missing, stuck, or not being reflected in your Solitaire cash rewards. First, close Solitaire cash completely and reopen it. On Android, remove the app from the Recent Apps screen. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Solitaire cash away. Then launch the app again and check the multiplier before starting another game. If the multiplier still is not applying, check whether it is actually active for the game or reward you are using. A multiplier shown somewhere in the app does not automatically mean it applies to every game, reward, or transaction. Open the multiplier or promotion details and check its stated conditions. Next, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and then reopen Solitaire cash. A connection problem can prevent the app from updating account information or confirming a reward. You should also check for an app update. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Solitaire cash, and install an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for Solitaire cash, and update the app if one is available. Then restart Solitaire cache and test the multiplier again. If you are using Android, clearing the Solitaire cache can remove temporary files that may interfere with the app. Go to Settings, open Apps, select Solitaire cache, choose Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove stored app information and require you to sign in again. Also check the reward history or balance after completing an eligible game. If the multiplier is supposed to increase a reward, but the balance remains unchanged, take a screenshot showing the multiplier and the resulting reward. If the multiplier works in one area but not another, compare the exact conditions shown for each feature. If it fails everywhere, contact Solitaire cache support and provide the screenshot, the game or promotion involved, and what happened when the reward was credited. The quickest troubleshooting order is to restart the app, verify the multiplier conditions, switch networks, update Solitaire cache, and clear the Android cache when applicable. If the multiplier starts applying correctly, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.